Hello everyone. So I hope you have already seen the videos from of ellipse. So we have done the revision of ellipse. Now we are going to discuss the concepts of hyperbola. So again, I hope you have revised all the concepts related to hyperbola. We are discussing the questions which have appeared in IIT JEE mains and advanced here. So through these questions again you will get the feel of the question, that how which type of questions are generally asked in mains exam. Okay, and it will be again a good revision, good practice for you. So let's start with the first question. So the first question, this appeared in JEE Mains 2019. The question is, let P be the point of intersection of common tangents to the parabola. Common tangents to the parabola, and yes, let's see. So this is P be the point of intersection of common tangent to the parabola y square equal to 12x and the hyperbola 8x square minus y square equal to 8. S and S dash denote the foci of the hyperbola. S lie in the positive x-axis, and then P divides S dash in a ratio. So this is the question here, right? So see, you have to find that P point divides S dash in what ratio. For that you will find S, you will find S dash, and you will find P, and then you can easily find the ratio. So you can first see what is the hyperbola we have. This is 8x square minus y square. This is equal to 8. If I convert this into standard form, this is x square divided by 1 minus y square divided by 8 is equal to 1. Now what are the foci for this? Foci you can say are plus minus AE comma 0. These are the foci. One is S, one other is S dash. Now see, we have to find what are the S and S dash. These are foci, S and S dash, right? Now you see here, what is eccentricity of a hyperbola? E square is equal to 1 plus B square by A square. So this is, you can see, E square is equal to 1 plus, what is B square? B square is 8 divided by A square is equal to 1. This is A square, this is B square. So what is the eccentricity? You can clearly see eccentricity is equal to 3. This is 9 square root of E, that is square root of 9, that is equal to 3. So you can see what are the foci. Foci, I can say this is plus minus AE comma 0. So you can see this is, what is the value of A? A is equal to 1, E is equal to 3. So the foci will be plus minus 3 comma 0. So we have got what is S. S lies on the positive x-axis. So what will be S point? S will be 3 comma 0. They have clearly mentioned, and this is S dash will be obviously minus 3 comma 0. This is the first. Now we have to just find the point P. Now how will you find this point P? It is given that P is the point of intersection of common tangent to y square equal to 12x and this hyperbola. So if I say, let's say this is the parabola y square equal to 12x and this is the hyperbola, I can have some common tangent. This is one common tangent. This can be one common tangent. What is the point of intersection? You have to find that also. I have already discussed how to find the common tangent. I have given you one detailed video how to find the common tangent. I'll put that link in the comment section. If you don't know how to find the common tangent, again I'll explain it here. Even we don't require the diagram. You see the common tangent, you can clearly see any tangent on the parabola y square equal to 12x. Let's say the slope of common tangent is m. So this equation of tangent will be y is equal to mx plus a by m. What is a? A is 3 by m. This is the equation of tangent to this y square equal to 12x. Now this tangent, this line should be tangent to this hyperbola. Now what is the condition for tangency for hyperbola? I'll just write it here. If you have the hyperbola x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equal to 1. A line y is equal to mx plus c. A line y is equal to mx plus c. A line with slope m is tangent to the hyperbola. Condition, what is the condition? C square should be equal to a square m square minus b square. This is the condition for tangency for hyperbola. If you have ellipse, it will be a square m square plus b square. So this is the condition which you can easily apply. Now if this line should be tangent to this hyperbola, what is the condition? C square, that is this, C, that is 9 by m square. C square should be equal to a square. What is a square? A square is 1. M square minus b square. B square is equal to 8. B square is equal to 8. So now you see what is this equation? This is m power 4 minus 8m square minus 9 is equal to 0. So if I solve this, this is m square minus 9 into m square plus 1 equal to 0. And you can factorize this. So what is the value of m? M will be equal to plus minus 3. Right? So what is the equation of common tangent? What is the equation of common tangent? This is y is equal to mx plus 3 by m. If I put m is equal to 3, this is y is equal to 3x plus 1. If I put m is equal to 3. If I put m is equal to minus 3, this is minus 3x minus 1. Why we have common tangent? You can see if you have, let's say this is the parabola and this is the, let's say, hyperbola. We can have one common tangent like this, other common tangent like this. So that is why we are getting two answers. Okay. So now, what is the point of intersection of these two? That is this is the point P. This is point P given to you. Where this is point P. Correct. So what is the point of intersection? You can clearly see if I add these two equations. What is this? Y is equal to 0. You can directly say this also because this is symmetric. So obviously the point of intersection will be on x-axis. So y is equal to 0. If I put y is equal to 0, x will be equal to minus 1 by 3. So you can see we have got the point P also. What is point P? This is minus 1 by 3 comma 0. So we have got all the parts. Now what is the question? P divides S and S dash. So let's say, let me write it here. Let's say this is S dash. This is S. This is minus 3 comma 0. This is 3 comma 0. And what is point P? Point P minus 1 by 3 comma 0. This is point P minus 1 by 3 comma 0. So what is this distance? You can clearly see what is the distance. S dash P, I can say, let me write it here. Yeah, it's visible. S dash P. What is S dash P? I can subtract these two. You can see 3 minus 1 by 3. So what is 3 minus 1 by 3? This is 9 minus 1. That is 8 by 3. So this is S dash P is 8 by 3. Right? And what is SP? SP is equal to 3 plus 1 by 3. 3 plus 1 by 3. You can clearly see how to find this. You can subtract these two. So this is 9 plus 1. That is, you can say this is 10 by 3. So this is 10 by 3. So what is S dash P is to SP is to S dash. You can see what is the ratio? SP is to S dash P. If I divide this, this is 10 is to 8, which is 5 is to 4. So I hope this is clear. What is the answer? Option C is the answer for this question. It's very easy question. The only thing is you have to just find what is the common tangent point of intersection. You should know how to find the common tangent equation. Okay, pretty simple question. Now next question is, if 5x plus 9 is equal to 0 is directrix of this hyperbola, then corresponding focus. Now see, again, this is the standard hyperbola. I can just convert this 16 x square minus 9y square is equal to 144. Right? I can just divide this. This is x square upon 9 minus y square upon 16 is equal to 1. This is the standard hyperbola. Now, given 5x plus 9 is the directrix of this hyperbola, what is the corresponding focus? Now see, if you just draw this, let's say this is the hyperbola, this is the, let's say, convex axis, and let's say this is the hyperbola we have, right? Now in this case, you see what is the directrix given? This is minus 9 by 5. This is x is equal to minus 9 by 5. This is x is equal to minus 9 by 5. This line x is equal to minus 9. Now the question is, what is the corresponding focus of this? So corresponding focus for this will be this point. If this is focus, the corresponding directrix is this. X is equal to a by e. If this is focus, then corresponding directrix is x is equal to minus a by e. So this is negative. That is why I have taken this, right? So what is corresponding focus? You can say this is minus AE comma 0. So you can clearly see what is minus AE comma 0. What is A? A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. What is eccentricity? E square is equal to 1 plus B square by A square. What is this? This is 1 plus B square by A square is 9. Correct? Yeah. So what is this? E is equal to 25 by 9. 25 by 9, that is 5 by 3. Now, so what is the focus, corresponding focus? This is S dash. So S dash is equal to minus A. A is 3 or A is 3, E is 5 by 3, comma 6. So what is the answer? S dash is equal to minus 5 by 5, comma 0. So you can check, this is very easy question. Option B is the answer for this question. Easy, very easy question, right? These are called free marks. Simple formula based question, right? Hyperbola and ellipse, again I'm telling you, these are very scoring topics for IIT JEE Mains, right? So especially hyperbola, the questions are very easy. Now let's move to the next question. If the directrix of the hyperbola centered at origin and passing through the point 4 comma minus 2 root 3 is 5x plus 4 root 5, then eccentricity satisfies which of the condition? This is the question. Now let's step by step check this. You can see in maximum questions, all the questions are based on standard hyperbola. Okay. The directrix of the hyperbola centered at origin, that is, we are talking about the standard hyperbola, passing through the point 4 comma minus root 3. So let's say this is the hyperbola. So let's say this is the hyperbola we're talking about. Okay. So this is passing through 4 comma minus root 3. Let's say this is the point 4 comma minus root 3. This is, you can see in the fourth quadrant, 4 comma minus root 3. This is 4 comma minus 2 root 3. Okay. And the directrix of this parabola passing through 4 comma minus 3, the directrix is, this is given to you. This is x is equal to, you can say x is equal to 4 by root 5. This is 4 by root 5. I have just divided this. X is equal to 4 by root 5. Divide, right? So this is the directrix of this parabola, this hyperbola. And it's now you have to find the what is the eccentricity. Eccentricity satisfies which of the following equation. So what are the conditions given to you? Here you see. Let's say the hyperbola. This is the standard hyperbola. The hyperbola is, let's say, x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equal to 1. Now, what are the conditions here? You see, the first condition is the hyperbola is passing through 4 comma minus 2 root 3. So it will satisfy this. This is 16 by a square minus passing through 4 comma minus root 3. So this is minus 2 root 3. This is 12. This is 12 by b square is equal to 1. How we got this? I'm just putting this point in the equation of this hyperbola. So this is 16 by a square. This is 12 by b square minus equal to 1. What is the second condition? You can say, what is the directrix of this hyperbola? This is given as 4 by root 5. What is the directrix of this? This is x is equal to a by e. So what is this? This is a by e is equal to, you can see x is equal to a by e is the directrix. So what is this? This is a by e. So you can say this is a by e is equal to 4 by root 5. Correct? And we know one more relation. What is the relation between a and b? This is b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. Now we are talking about hyperbola. So hyperbola mein b square is equal to a square, e square minus 1. In ellipse, this is b square is equal to a square, 1 minus e square. So now we have these three relations. Using these three relations, you have to find the relation in find the eccentricity relation. So you can first observe here. I can write it. I can say this is 16 by a square is equal to 1 plus 12 by b square. Correct? So, okay, I will just eliminate a and b. So there are different ways to eliminate this. So you can see here, this is, okay, so this is, let me do the calculations, otherwise you can easily do it. A is equal to 4 by root 5 E. Okay, so what you can do is, what is, let me write it on the next page, so it will be easy to solve. So we have 16 by A square is equal to 16 by A square is equal to 1 plus 12 by B square, right? This is one relation we have. We have A is equal to 4 by root 5 E. A is equal to 4 by root 5 E. And what is the third relation? We have E square. We can take this 1 plus B square by A square. Let's take this, so it will be easy, right? So now, let me write from this. So what is this? This is, you can see, this is 16 is equal to A square plus 12 A square by B square. You can see, I have taken this 16, I have just multiplied this. Now see, can we say this is E square minus 1 is equal to B square by A square, or A square by B square? What is A square by B square? This is 1 upon E square minus 1. So I can take this. This is 16 is equal to, what is A square? You can see A square is equal to, you can use this. This is 16 by 5 E square. Okay, plus, what is this? This is 12. And what is A square by B square? This is 1 upon E square minus 1. So you can just check the calculation. It's very easy to solve. So if I take LCM and all, so this is 16, this is 5 E square minus 1. So this will become 16 E square into E square minus 1 plus 12 into 5. I hope this is clear. I think we can cancel this common factor of 4 also, so that let's do this. So this is, I'm just cancelling this common factor. So this is 5 into E square minus 1. I'm just cancelling this 4. Okay, this is 4, this is 4, this is 3. Okay, so this will become 20. This will become 20 E square minus 1. This is 4 E raised to 4 minus E square. And this is 15. I hope this is clear. So now you can just arrange this. 4E raised to 4. This is minus 4E square minus, that is minus 24E square. This is minus 20 plus 15, which is 35 equal to 0. So this is the relation in E. E satisfies this condition. So the question was easy. The only thing is you have to just eliminate E. So what is the correct answer? You can just check this. We have 4E square minus 24, 4E raised to 4 minus 24E square plus 35. You can check this. That is option D is the answer for this question. Simple formula application. We have this, and remember this. This relation sometimes आप लोग उसको भूल जाते हो. So just remember this result. Okay, there is a hidden result. No one will say what is the relation between A and B. This you should know. Okay. So now let's move to the next question. I hope this is clear. This part is just the calculation. You can follow this. Next question is the vertices of a hyperbola, let's say, are minus 2, 0 and 2, 0. And one of its foci is at minus 3, 0. Then which of the following is a point which does not lie on this hyperbola? That means ultimately you have to find the equation of hyperbola. Then we will satisfy each point and we will get the answer. So now draw the diagram. The vertices of hyperbola, this is minus 2, 0. So let's say this is the coordinate axis and this is the hyperbola. This is the hyperbola we have, right? Now, foci are minus 2, 0 and 2, 0. So now let's say this is 2, 0. Sorry, not foci. Vertices are at 2, 0 and minus 2, 0. These are the vertices. Let's say this is A dash. and one of its focus is at minus 3 comma 0. This is one of the focus, that is, let's say this is the focus S dash, which is minus 3 comma 0. Now the question is which of the following. So you have to find the equation of this hyperbola. This is the standard hyperbola. So can I say the hyperbola is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equal to 1. Now you see, you have to just find the values of a and b. How can you find this? You can see what is this total distance. This is, we know, 2a, because this is minus a comma 0, this is a comma 0, this is minus a comma 0, this is a comma 0. Point of intersection with x-axis you can find with, these are the vertices. So first thing you can say 2a. This is 2a. 2a is equal to 4. So what is the value of a? A is equal to 2. First thing you can get, this is 4. Right? Second, you can see this is the distance between the vertex and focus. What is the distance between vertex and focus? You can see here, this is minus 3 comma 0. This is basically minus ae comma 0. Right? And what is the focus? Sorry, not what is the vertex? This is minus a comma 0. So can we say the distance between these two will be a minus ae. I'm just subtracting these two, minus a minus ae. So this is, you can check this, a minus ae, right? This is equal to what? This is equal to what is this value? This is 1. Check this. Wait. I have to just wait. This should be ae minus a should be equal to 1. Why a should be? Because a ka magnitude wise a will be more than a, right? So that is why I have taken ae minus. This distance should be equal to 1. So this is the second relation. And what is the third relation? Third relation, you know, that is b square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. So now you see what is the value of b. So a is equal to 2. So ae is equal to, you can say, this is 3. I can put a is equal to 2 here. Now you see what is this? This is b square is equal to a square e square minus a square. What is a square? This is ae square. This is 9 minus what is a square? This is 4. So what is the value of b square? B square is equal to 5. You can check this, right? So now you see we have got what is the equation of this hyperbola. This is, we have x square upon a square. What is a square? A square is 4 minus y square upon b square. Y square upon b square, that is 5, is equal to 1. So this is the equation of this hyperbola. Now we have to just check which point does not satisfy this equation, does not lie. That means which does not satisfy this. So now you can